everyone, we're going to describe the possible values of x using our triangle inequality theorem. So we'll start with the first one, and we're going to test all of these inequalities and get all the possible values of x. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these two and add them up, and that should be greater than 2x minus 2. So this is 12 has to be greater than 2x minus 2. Add the 2, so 14 has to be greater than 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x is less than 7. Just write it this way. So that's that part. Now let's try adding those two up. So we get 2x minus 2 plus 7 has to be greater than 5. So we get 2x plus 5 is greater than 5. And then you get 2x, if you subtract 5 is greater than 0, you get x is greater than 0. And that can't be true, because if you plug in a number, say 1 here, you'll get a 0 there. So we're going to disregard that one and try the other one. We're going to try 2x minus 2 plus 5 has to be greater than 7. So this is 2x plus 3 has to be greater than 7. And subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality, and you get 2x is greater than 4. So x has to be greater than 2 when you divide both sides. So the way you write it is x has to be greater than 2. We can rewrite this as x is greater than 2, but less than 7. You're always, when you do this, you're always going to have one that doesn't work. So let's look at the next one. Let's do these two first. 8 plus 18 has to be greater than 4x plus 2. So 26 has to be greater than 4x plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, and you get 24 is greater than 4x. Divide both sides by 4, and you get 6 is greater than x, or x is less than 6. Now, let's try these two. So 4x plus 2 is greater than 8, plus 8 has to be greater than 18. So 4x plus 10 is greater than 18. Subtract 10 from both sides, so 4x has to be greater than 8. So x has to be greater than 2 when you divide both sides. So basically your answer is going to be x is less than 2 but greater than 6. Now let's go ahead and try the other one, because we were supposed to try all three. So if you try the other one, you get 4x plus 2 plus 8 plus 18 has to be greater than 8. And what happens here is you're going to get 4x plus 20 is greater than 8. When you subtract 20, you get negative 12, so you get x is greater than negative 3, which we have to discard. That doesn't work. So there's your solution set for all possible values of x. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.